Welcome to sunny Blackpool. Today I'm checking into a place with a rather curious name, Rest and Welcome. But will I be resting and will I feel welcome? Well, you'll have to stick around to find out. Blackpool's been famous for its guest houses since the golden age of British seaside holidays, when families would flock here for candy floss, donkeys and affordable B&Bs. Some of those guest houses have stood the test of time, others not so much. So, is this one hidden gem or just another tired relic? Let's take a look. Holiday Inn, Sainsburys on the right, down that way is the hotel. Funny Girls, the man bar, and Rest and Welcome guest house. Bloody hell, door and bloody shut. Look at this room. Throw the key on the bed like you do. This room is great. I like this room. When I come in, I've got a proper good welcome. Yeah, it says welcome and something, and I forgot the name of the bloody hotel that I'm in. But this is nice and bright, you can see outside. Everything looks spotlessly clean, which I'll show you in a sec. Went to the toilet, communal bathroom. Fine, looks clean. Clean. And you know, the people at the desk downstairs welcome you in. And it's just very nice. That's what you need, isn't it? Good cheap hotel. Very nice. Very nice. And now on this side of the room, it just, because it's so bright, that's why it feels quite nice. You can literally see everything, there's no dark shadows. And you're looking out the window, and I'm opposite, which you'll know where you are if you know Blackpool, opposite Funny Girls, across the road. Funny Gals. Yeah. Great. I love it. I'm going to chill in here tonight, hopefully. We'll do a bed test in a bit. I can see a board on the bed. But yeah, it's just a single room. It looks small, but it's nice. It's nice. So that's the back of the door. Please check. Have you got your keys? People must leave the keys in the bedroom. There's some hangers for your coats and anything else you want to hang. This is the back of the bed, and there is maybe you have to turn that on. Yeah, that's a reading light. How good is that? And this is your single bed. Well, you can see the board just fine. Single bed there with a reading light. On the right, some shelves, you can do what you need to do. This is the back of the room, nice little flower design. Here's your sink, bucket, clean bucket with a bag. Something to wash your hands in. Sink looks clean. I think that's just about clean, but you can see some like water splashes, which is okay, it's fine. There's a mirror, and does this work? Please work. That don't work, but it's absolutely fine. And for what you need in the sink, and you've got a couple of plug sockets down there. This is the other side of the room, so you've got some drawers. I'll draw one. Oh, it's all gone so well. So that drawer's a bit dirty, so I won't be touching that. Oh, that drawer's a bit dirty. You just need to check the room. You should always check the drawers when you come in a room if you're cleaning it. On the top here, you've got tons of PG tips. My favourite tea. This is your kettle. This is your kettle. Let's have a look in it. Yeah, I mean the kettle's alright, but I still wouldn't drink from it because that filled, you know, that thing that heats up. It's a little bit dirty, but it might be alright for some. A nice cloth on it, which is nice. See the curtains, very, very light. And there's the TV. TV's not a bad size. Just going back to the bed, you've got your remote. You've got a towel there for yourself for a shower. The towel looks nice and clean. Yeah, no stains. And then you've got this folder. So this is a folder. I've just covered out the password and server. Breakfast times Monday to Friday, weekends checkout, assistance, smoking, disturbances, drugs. No exception of these rules. Before I do a bed test, I just want to say I absolutely love this room. I love it. I love it how it's bright and light and it feels clean. Yeah, there's the odd dirty bit, but there's nothing to be concerned about. You know, I would come back and I would stay again in this room. Cost of this room is 20 quid. 20 quid. 20 pound. Not 40, not 30, not 25. 20 pound. Look behind me, it says 20 pound. That's really good value. Considering you've got the bar downstairs and this area around here, which the area looks really nice actually. The area looks okay to me. But yeah, I do love this room. Let's see what's going on outside. Nothing much. Just looking at, staring at funny girls. But nothing much going on. Nice front garden, I might sit outside actually. Maybe, I don't know. I don't know what I want to do now. Might just go into Blackpool and have a look around. But I just feel happy in this room. Oh, I didn't show you the clock. There's the clock, it's 20 to 3, so check-in is at 2 o'clock, which I like to come and, you know, I like to check in it. I'm not working today, well I am, but not yet. And there's a picture of, not Blackpool, but London. It's a picture of London. So if you miss London when you're in Blackpool, there you go.
Isn't my voice really strange?
Back to normal. Right, we are doing a bed test because we want to. Sorry about the state of my jumper. I've been eating and every time I eat, I spill it down me. So we're going to do a bed test. Yeah. Another part of the bed test is just a test. It's weight distribution like this. Right, this bed testing is too weird. Way too weird. Oh! You know, memory foam. This is definitely memory foam. This is a memory foam bed. 100% because it's solid until you touch it. Okay, let's have a look at this bed. Now, I've had my head on this. I was scratching. That might be just me. So anyway, you've got this quite a thin quilt. It is coming into summer. And you've got one pillow. Got a bed sheet on top. Unfortunately, it's got a few stains on there. So I won't be sleeping on top of that. Bed protector, which is great. And another sheet under the bed protector. And the foam mattress, and I think it has like a mattress topper. So you do have that pillow underneath and then that pillow on top, but because there's a bit of a stain on the sheet, I won't be sleeping on it. I'll probably sleep on top. Forgot to mention these 3 shelves. Nice pattern on the back of the wall, grey, which is absolutely fine. I do like this hotel. It's quite nice. It's not like you don't come in and go, wow. Do you know what I mean? Like some other £20 hotels or even cheaper hotels I've been in where you think, wow, you get all this. It's not like that. It's the type where you walk in and go, yeah, it's probably worth 20, 30 quid at the most. But everything here is nicely done and nicely finished. It does need a bit of a cloth and fresher sheets and that. But apart from that, communal bathroom, communal toilet, it's all fine. And if you've seen downstairs briefly, there was sort of a canteen at the back, and on the right was a bar, and that's where reception is. And, you know, nice bit of the hallway, nicely decorated. And then also, as you've seen as I come in, there was like tables and chairs where you can go and chill out outside as well. The front of the building was welcoming, you know. And to be honest, this room is really nice room that I can relax in, so I'm enjoying myself here. It says there, breakfast included. 20 quid. Wow, that is so good. I keep hearing a little creeping outside. I'm sure somebody's listening. Okay, so this is the outside. I looked at the windows, but if you can see down there, there's like chairs and tables, but that's the outside view. Just see funny girls over there. That's how close I am. At the same time as I'm filming this, I am in a hotel called Welcome Best. I can't remember. I never remember the hotels I'm in. Anyway, the hotel is nice, it's clean. There's a bit of dirt in the cupboards. The bed was, the mattress is really good. You know, the top sheet was a bit dirty, so I'd probably just sleep on top. Overall, it's okay. You know, it's £20. What I find amazing and shocking is that for the £20, you actually get breakfast. How cool is that? So £20 for the night in Blackpool plus breakfast. What's breakfast? About a tenner? £8, £10, £9? And you get in the room for about a tenner. What are they making from that? Surely nothing. Surely nothing at all. A £20 note. It's unreal. It's so good. Anyway, I'm going back to the hotel. I did do a fish and chip review on the same day. So if you're watching this, you may have already seen it. If you've not seen it, it'll probably be on after this video or before. Well, I hope you like this hotel. Yeah, I like the room. It was nice and light, and yeah, that's the type of hotel I like. There's a lot of really nice hotels and guest houses. It's actually a B&B guest house, so there's a lot of nice ones in Blackpool, and yeah, there's good and bad and everything, isn't there? But I want to sort of put a disclaimer on all the time. It's what I think. I'm not saying this is what you're going to experience. You know, if I think it's nice and you go there and you experience a poor room, that's just the way it is. Because sometimes I go to hotels and I go to nice rooms, and some of you have gone and you've not had a good experience. It's just the room that you get on the day. That's just what it is in Blackpool. I'm going to be reviewing some really nice hotels and guest houses in Blackpool soon. So stay tuned to it. Like I said in the bedroom, subscribe if you can. Hit that notification bell just so you know when I'm uploading next, and click like if you like the video, basically. Anyway, I'll see you all soon. I'll leave you with a bit of the sea from today. It was very sunny in Blackpool. Oh yeah, and thank you to all the members that have stuck by me. And it's only a small group, but obviously the channel's only been going for 12 months, so it's growing. You know, I keep saying there's a lot of different things I'm going to be doing. Sometimes work gets in the way, so sometimes I'm delaying getting stuff on, or I'm just busy editing or trying to create content. But I'll keep pushing and pushing, and it'll get more exciting and more risky and daring content will happen. So anyway, oh gosh, I'm cracking shells here. Anyway, I'll speak to you all soon and go back to the hotel. It's getting late. I know it's light, but I need to get some sleep before work. So yeah, thank you everyone for sticking with me, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Yeah, this is Blackpool.